This is a SketchUp Backup File. If your main SKB file gets corrupted, just rename this file from SKB to SKP to recover your 3D model. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's recover the model. For those complex SKB formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later after we attempt the common methods. The SKB file extension is associated with SketchUp, a 3D modeling software. An SKB file is a backup file automatically created by SketchUp to safeguard against data loss. It contains a copy of the SketchUp model at a previous state, allowing users to revert to an earlier version if the current file becomes corrupted or if unwanted changes are made. SKB files are created automatically by SketchUp at regular intervals or upon saving a model. The backup frequency can be configured in SketchUp's preferences. SKB files are typically stored in the same directory as the original .skp SketchUp model file. To recover a model from an SKB file, simply rename the SKB extension to SKP and open it in SketchUp. When viewing the file metadata, the SKB shows a direct link to SketchUp from Trimble Inc. The raw visual data is present, but Windows lacks the necessary parser to display it correctly. Windows cannot interpret incremental or differential backups, so compatible utilities are necessary. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's signature. Right-click the SKB file and click Open with. Test SketchUp if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If your SKB file will not open, do not worry. To truly fix this, let's review the why, the top technical reasons this specific SKB error occurs on your system. First, use SketchUp. Open the file using SketchUp, the required application for the 3D model. Next, rename to SKP. Rename the file extension to .skp and try opening it in SketchUp. Finally, check version. Ensure your SketchUp version is compatible with the version that created the file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.